I love my Milk Bliss milk frother that Zule Kitchen sent me. And look how nice it is. For one thing, you can leave it on your kitchen counter or your kitchen table. Perfect. And this is perfect for traveling. So as you can see, the design is folded inside. Perfect for traveling because you don't want your whisk to get bent. So all you have to do is pull it out, and then there you go. Simple as that. And all you need to do is put 2 AA batteries inside, and then you're good to go. And look how nice this is. Now, I just made myself a cup of coffee, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to use. So once you flip it over, then you're going to see that there's a button right here. And all you have to do is push it. Pretty powerful, right? That's 13,000 RPM. That is pretty fast. So here we go. I'm going to start frothing my milk. Now all you have to do is put it just underneath the milk, and then as it starts foaming, you can even move it up as you choose. And look at that whisk, and wow, wow, wow. It whisked it so much. Crazy, right? And all you have to do is rinse it underwater and then push it again, and then that's how it air dries. Now look at that nice foam. It is so thick. And you do remember I only had this much milk, and it just whipped it all up just like that. Super impressed. Definitely recommend it. And this is by Milk Bliss by Zule Kitchen. Thank you so much for sending this to me. Absolutely love it. Hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.